What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm wearing my XFL shirt, but I got some more right here. All right, I'm really excited about the XFL. I'm really disappointed with the NFL this year, especially my team. But I actually went to the official XFL website and bought these two t-shirts here. And as you can see here, right now I'm a fan of the Battlehawks. We'll have to see how they do. But these t-shirts are pretty cool. And you can see right there, silk screened with Battlehawks football. Pretty cool. And the XFL logo right here. Now, these are the official shirts, so they're not going to be the cheapest thing in the world, you know, especially for t-shirts. But I think if you want to get suited up to show your love for the new football league, look at this one. It's in kind of a navy blue, and I like that. St. Louis Battlehawks, established 2020. It's not even 2020 yet. Very soon, though. Only a few days away. Hey, XFL right there. Pretty cool. I've got my shirt on, but like I said, these t-shirts are going to be pretty awesome. New season starts in February. Get kitted up for it now. If you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.